Hey yo guys, I know it's been a long time. I have not posted anything about this house on this channel. I guess this is what usually people say. I remember my password today. Let's be honest here. It's not easy to build a house, especially when you're trying to build a home. But this is what it's looking like. This is the kitchen, the living room. We've even started living here. That's the exterior, a little messy, because every time I'm in Sierra Leone, me and my boys, we put in the work. But check out this TV base. Look how clean this came out. Handles are super clean and crisp. Exterior lighting, top notch. Balusters and breeze blocks looking good. The place is green. We have coconut trees, guava trees, palm trees, and a lot are still growing. Here we grow what we eat what we grow. There's papayas in here, ginger, anything you can think of. So far this is how the exterior is looking, and as you've seen the interior, this is my little corner here. This is just a plot of land that I purchased way back in 2010 for about $600, guys. So always invest your money. We started this project long ago, 2021. We've been just doing it brick by brick, step by step, built from the ground up. And one thing here at Mastersabbi that we do for sure is my team makes sure everything we do looks and feels intentional. From buying the land, to the planning, to your design, the foundation, the wall elevation, plastering, you name it, all the way to the interior design and handing over the keys, we make sure everything is tailored just for what the client is looking for. As you can see here, I personally wanted this kitchen to feel modern and African luxury at the same time. So everything here is tailored just the way I want it. The wooden slats, those planks, to the cabinets, the shelves, the wooden shelves on the cabinets, the lights, all the way to the TV base, just those touches. And then the bedrooms, as we finish them, we'll be showcasing them as well. But check out this TV base. See the accent, look at it. The handles, they match just what the kitchen has. This is what we do here. We do not take anything in a rush. Everything we do is measured and planned. We think, we test, and we execute. So if you're looking for these type of properties to be built for you, rest assured, if you reach out to my team at www.mastersabbi.com, we will make sure we get you right. In this kitchen, we went with concrete countertops with marble finishes. And for the cabinets, we went with white plywood and then wood with matte black handles. This spot right here is for the dishwasher. It is measured correctly for the size dishwasher that we're going to use in this house. So as soon as it arrives, we're just gonna push it right there. Should be able to work. And right here also is for the oven range. Everything is measured. As soon as it get here, we're just gonna push it right in. It should work. This piece here was just built by my team. The fridge is gonna go there. It's movable. That was supposed to be for my washer and dryer, but yeah, we're going to move that in the garage. This is the pantry area. Now my question is, what do you guys think about the kitchen? What do you guys think about the house? What's your favorite part so far, if you've been following us? just the little things like this cute exterior bathroom that we made out here. So that way when you have guests, they don't have to go in your rooms. Let me show you. It is actually our water tank holder. So right there's the water tank. So instead of wasting that spot underneath, we decided to make a exterior bathroom. I think it's cute. Over here, cacao plant, plantains, and underneath here, banana suckers that we just bought a few days ago. We're going to replant them on one of our properties that I have. And then this is an avocado, aka butterpear, that we have here. More plantains and a guava all the way up there. And my brother's chickens, super cute. I'm glad we can make use of this spot, this space that we have here. And for the front yard, this is what it's looking like. Again, it's still a working site. That's a guava right here. I haven't tried this guava though. I feel like my boys don't play me any favors, but I don't live here, so they deserve it. We were working on a water fountain for the front here. That's the unfinished piece. These are some papayas we're going to transplant, and then we're going to do some pavers here, interlocking bricks. On the bottom here, some peppers and ginger. Look at some of these peppers right here, but I tell you, the chickens, they're eating them. I don't know why, but they love that. And then of course the bunnies right here. There are baby bunnies in there. But yeah, this is what we have going on in here. And then go upstairs. That. This is our upstairs. Then, of course, all the rooftops. All the rooftops. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So guys, I know it's been a minute, but this is what have been going on at Mastersabbi. And if you're looking for anybody, a company, trusted person to handle your project here in Sierra Leone, kindly go to www.mastersabbi.com. I hope this video gives you a great insight of what we've been doing, what we do, and what we can do. Again, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.